Welcome to the future, where artificial intelligence and cutting-edge technology are transforming our urban landscapes into AI-powered cities. Join us as we explore the groundbreaking developments reshaping how we live, work, and interact in our cities. Songdo is a marvel of modern urban planning. Built from the ground up with smart technology, this city integrates Internet of Things devices and AI systems to manage everything from waste collection to traffic flow. Sensors throughout the city provide real-time data, enabling efficient energy use and reducing carbon emissions. Next, we travel to Masdar City in the United Arab Emirates, a pioneer in sustainability and smart technology. Masdar City is designed to be one of the most environmentally sustainable urban developments in the world. Powered by renewable energy, Masdar City employs AI to manage its energy grid, ensuring maximum efficiency and minimal waste. Buildings are equipped with smart systems that adjust lighting and temperature based on occupancy, significantly reducing energy consumption. In Tokyo, AI and robotics are enhancing urban life in unique ways. Robotic assistants are becoming a common sight, helping with tasks from guiding tourists to delivering packages. Healthcare is another area where AI-powered cities are making a significant impact. In Boston, hospitals are using AI to improve patient care and streamline operations. Beyond urban centers, AI is revolutionizing agriculture in rural areas. Drones equipped with AI are used to monitor crops, ensuring optimal growth and yield. Waste management is another critical area benefiting from AI. In cities like San Francisco, AI-powered systems optimize waste collection routes and recycling processes, significantly reducing the environmental impact. Smart bins equipped with sensors alert collection teams when they are full, ensuring timely and efficient waste collection. Smart homes are a key component of AI-powered cities. These homes use AI to manage energy use, security, and even daily chores. Imagine your home adjusting the thermostat based on the weather forecast or turning off lights when you leave a room. This technology not only adds convenience but also promotes energy conservation. However, the transition to AI-powered cities isn't without challenges. Ensuring data privacy, addressing ethical concerns, and managing the cost of implementation are significant hurdles that need to be overcome. Experts emphasize the importance of developing robust regulatory frameworks to protect citizens' rights and ensure the responsible use of AI. Despite these challenges, the potential benefits of AI-powered cities are immense. From improved quality of life to sustainable urban development, AI has the power to transform our cities for the better. As we look to the future, the integration of AI and smart technology will continue to shape the way we live, work, and interact. Welcome to the era of AI-powered cities, where the future of urban living is being revealed. Thank you for watching TechoReview. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insights into the future of technology. Let us know in the comments what you think about AI-powered cities.